ఆయుర్వేద అభిలాషులకు, ఆరోగ్య అభిలాషులకు, ఆయుర్వేద విద్యార్థి లోకానికి నా హృదయపూర్వక అభినందనలు. ఈ రోజున ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో మనం టుడే ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఇన్ దిస్ ఎపిసోడ్ విల్ కమ్ టు నో వాట్ ఈజ్ అనులోమన, what is the purpose of Anulomana, what are the best examples we will come to know. Generally, this matter is applicable theory point of view and practical point of view, very, very important. I will tell you how the bits are going to arise from Anulomana chapter, Anulomana topic. Let us see. What is Anulomana? Kurtva pakam malam yat bitva bandham adonayet. I will repeat once again, please. Krutva pakam malam. Mala converted to mala gets paka. Yet bitva, by breaking out, after breaking, being broken, elimination of the mala takes place. Elimination of the mala takes place. What is it? Krutva pakam malam. Krutva pakam malanam yet bitva bandham adonayet. Through adhobhaka, after in the sense being broken, the mala gets paka and elimination of the same or mala takes place is called anulomana. Tatcha anulomanam gneyam. Tatcha anulomanam gneyam yadha prokta. Yadha prokta haritaki. Haritaki is one of the best example for anulomana. In Viva presentation, tell one best example for Anulomana Haritaki. Reference, you can say Sharangadhara Samhita. Reference is from Sharangadhara Samhita. Fine. So now we came to know what is Anulomana, and what are the best example of Anulomana. Even in PG entrance examination, so they will ask you the Anulomana example from Sharangadhara Samhita or Anulomana reference from Sharangadhara Samhita or any Granthas. Otherwise, Haritaki used as the best Anulomana according to so and so. So in three versions, in three angles, the bits are thrown. Right, let us see here what is happening. Vayu or Vata elimination from the Amasya is Anulomana. Vata elimination from Amasya is Anulomana. Is it clear to you now what is Anulomana? Now what are the factors behind Anulomana here? Ushnavirya Dravyas, being Ushnavirya or Ushnavirya property, and Snigdha Guna and related gunas are the basic factors behind the activity of this karma Anulomana. Behind the activity of this karma Anulomana. Now you see here. What is the mechanism happening? You know what is the mechanism here? Which does malapaka and remove the bandha to expel the doshas downwards. Is it not? Which does the malapaka and remove the bandha to expel the doshas downwards. Is it not? That is called Anulomana. Sarvo Anulomanaha prokta. Susruta, the excellent definition given by Susruta also. Sarvo Anulomana Bhakta. For Anulomana karma, Saraguna is the property. The Dravya which is having Saraguna is going to act as the Dravya which is having Saraguna is going to act as Anulomana Dravya. Let us see what Dalagana says and said. Anulomano Vatamala Pravartanaka. Elimination of the Vata and Mala is nothing but the Anulomana karma. Elimination of Vata and Mala is nothing but the Anulomana karma. Anulomana is the specific property of the Saraguna. Now the question comes like this. Which guna is held responsible for Anulomana karma? Saraguna. So Saraguna is the cause for Anulomana karma. Is it clear to you now what is Anulomana? What are the gunas behind Anulomana? What are the different references I am stressing here? Now, next we are coming to the Adamala. Anulomanam Vatadinam Vatadinam Ada Pravartanaha. What he says, Elimination of Vata and Mala through Adhobhaga is called as Anulomana. Anulomano Vata Mala Pravartanaha. Dalagana says Anulomano Vata Mala Pravartanaha. It is specific property of Saraguna. Again, what Adamala says, Anulomanam Vatadinam Adha Pravatru Adho Marga, which eliminates, by which process the Vata and Mala elimination takes place is called as Anulomana. Is it clear to you now what is Anulomana? What is the mechanism? Which dosha is involved here? You will understand. You are understanding in the sense. Now let us see Yadavji Trikamji what he says. Anulomana as Saraka Guna. Anulomana as a Saraka Guna. So Saraguna, without Saraguna, Anulomana karma will not take place. Without Saraguna, Anulomana karma will not take place. Let us see P.V. Sharma what he is. Anulomana Dravyas as carbonated. He is treating Anulomana Dravyas as carbonatives. Anulomana Dravyas as carbonatives. What are the examples now? In Vaiva they will ask you, tell some Anulomana Dravyas. What are they? Right. Hingu, Yavani, having Katarasa, Nadi Hingu, Tejapatra, Misreya, Putiha, all these are examples for Anulomana karma. What are they? Once again I am repeating, Hingu, Yavani. Generally speaking, any dravya having Katarasa supposed to act as Anulomana dravya only if you are speaking. If I am not asking, you will ask me, am I right or not? What is that one? What are the important Hingu and Yavani? Is it not? So, now including Nadi Hingu also, Tejapatra, all these are best Anulomana dravyas. Dravyas generally, dravyas with Katadikta Rasa, Katavipaka, Ushnavirya are going as Anulomana. Generally speaking, the dravyas with Katadikta Rasa or Katavipaka, Ushnavirya going to act as Anulomana dravyas. Now, so here concluding that Anulomano Vatamala Pravartakaha. Anulomano Vatamala Pravartakaha. And in which manner it is Vatamala Pravartaka, it is also Pitta Vartaka. See, there are limits. What I am telling from the beginning, I am telling, as long as the role of the Prithvi Mahaput and Jal Mahaput is there, so long the role of the Agni and Vayu will not be there. If at all there is, they will help the system or organs to maintain their normal functions only. Beyond the level when Agni and Vayu increase or enhances, then only the effect of the Agni and Vayu will be there on the system. Otherwise, the effect will not be there. They are both the positive and negative factors. Prithvi and Jala, Agni are in Samavastha. The system goes in a Samavastha only. The system goes in Samavastha in a balanced condition. It grows. In each variation in Prithvi Mahabhuta and Jala Mahabhuta or Agni Mahabhuta and Jala Mahabhuta, then the efficacy of the dominating or dominated Bhuta effect will be there. This is the fundamental point to be noted down. So in nutshell, you came to know what is Anulomana, what are the best examples. In Vaiva, how they are going to ask you. In Vaiva, generally they will ask you what are the important, tell some important examples for Anulomana karma. Tell one or two references for Anulomana karma. If I are able to prepare in this manner, definitely we can answer the Vaiva questions to be asked in Dravyaguna Vaiva. Even in theory point of view, practical point of view also, it's very, very important. In theory point of view, for a 5-mark short answer questions, write a note on Anulomana or write the following karmas. Write about the following karmas. What is the Anulomana, Asramsana, Vedana, any 2 or 3 may be given. So first of all, what is the method? First, definition. Second point, the Bhautika Sangatana. Third point, general Rasaguna Virivipaka. Fourth point, mechanism. Fifth point, examples. Is it clear to you? In this manner, you are supposed to answer. In this channel today, you came to know what is Anulamana, definition, applications, where it is applicable. Generally, Anulamana Dravyas are applicable in case of Vatajanyu Vikara. Generally, Anulamana Dravyas are applicable in Vatajanyu Vikaras. What are the Prayoga or Vyadis? Generally, these are useful in case of Ajirna, Agrimanya, Gulma, Udara, Yakut Vikara. These are applicable in case of Ajirna, Agrimanya, Gulma, Udara, Yakut Vikaras. So, those who want to learn the classical fundamentals of Ayurveda, especially BMA second phase students, just contact Professor Simhadri, LN Ayurvedic online tuitions to promote the classical concepts of Ayurveda. 9014141722. Thank you for sparing your valuable time to learn the beautiful concepts of Ayurveda.